Welcome back to Craftstick Crafts YouTube channel. So I have a couple things we're showing today. This is a maker shed treehouse. So sometimes when you are adding parts to your project, you might want to consider gluing up the parts as a unit and then attach them to the main project. And what that's going to allow you to do is sometimes you can't get the craft stick and the glue and the clamps all in that one little spot, and so the problem is, you know, size and space. And so you want to glue up your part, there we go, before you attach it to the house or whatever thing you're making, so it becomes a lot easier to clamp. So this happens to be a window, and we cut it to fit and we sliced it, and that will make a stronger connection and more surface for the glue to attach itself to. And then we're going to roll that in and attach it there, and then we'll clamp it. And I made some notches here, some marks, so I knew the right height for the window, and that was the same theme here. We pre-made our little fence, and then we glued it up, and then we'll attach it here at the right height. Not sure what, actually I do know what, Kelly, my wife, she called this firewood, because it kind of looks like, you know, fire, and it's wood. But what I wanted to show you was specifically, we're making a barrel that will have a little handle, and then we're going to make a little rope pulley system for the maker shed, for the maker shed treehouse, and the kids, or they can pretend like they're putting stuff in the barrel and or bucket and pulling it up. Before my other videos, you probably seen that I use a Playmat, and this is a cool little tool, definitely. And typically there is a red little bumper, in fact here it is right there, on top of the blade. But what that means is you have to drill a hole into the piece you're going to cut if you want to center it up in the middle of your your piece. But we didn't want to cut a hole, so I cut that off, and then I just started. Actually, this is a stop so that I can run my barrel along that same spot and get the same cut. What I did is I just started cutting it, and eventually the blade went inside the barrel. I can see that. Okay. So the blade then goes inside the barrel, and then I can turn the barrel on this stop and make the barrel cut. And that's what we're going to do here. So there is the outcome of my barrel. I'm going to sand and then add the top and add the bottom to it. So this was bass wood we bent into shape, and that information can be seen on my advanced DVD that I have, basswood bending. Okay, well, I appreciate your time, and we have barn being built there for our barn DVD. And once again, I appreciate your time. Subscribe. Keep an eye on us. We'll show you as much as we can. Thanks. Bye.